Welcome to appleguide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to cancel a subscription on your iPad or iPhone. Go to Settings, tap on your name, tap on Subscriptions. Right, the first three are the active subscriptions on this device. And if you look below, you can see that Apple News is inactive. If you want to cancel any of these free active subscriptions, just tap on it and select Cancel Subscriptions. I'm not going to cancel this subscription, but just to show you, because I still want it to be active. But this is how you cancel a subscription on the iPad or iPhone.